welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today is the day where we are officially at CamaroFest, baby. CamaroFest 10 in Bowling Green, Kentucky. If you've never been here, you should get here because this is the place to be. Everybody is here. I don't care if I'm 4th gen, 5th gen, 1st gen, 3rd gen, all the gens are here. I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do day by day. Try to crush it down into like, I don't know, 3 days worth of content in one video. So come on with me. This has a 350 Chevy block engine in it. Yes, you see it right there. One of one. Isn't that right? It's one of one. See, this is boss horse. The first night is the meet and greet. Well, today is the official day for CamaroFest. We are all here trying to meet the driver's meet. To the left of me right here, you got the drag strip. In front of me directly, that's where vendors and autocross is going to be. And then to the right is just general parking and stuff like that. But we got a long way to go before we get to the gate for sure. Well, made it here. Right now, I'm going to get my car inspected. You know, I don't know if I'm a racing up, but I paid for it. But if I do one pull, that'll be it. So I'm making sure the car gets checked out, and that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and do all this stuff, and then I'll show y'all what's all here. So it looked like the Chevrolet team came. That's good. Got Fast Tech, Camaro decal store, GPI here, RotoFab. Ooh, look at this shadow gray metallic. This looks way better in person. Yeah, like it's gray and like under like overcast, but then like when you're on it, it's like got a little hint of blue. Or yeah, this is, it's crazy. Like standing right here, you can see it a little bit. Half.
Yeah, there's a little bit of blue in there.
Yeah. First run out here, 95 degrees. My 60 foot was a 1.8. My 8th, I did a 7.77, and I trapped. Let me see. I was 93 miles per hour, and then my trap speed at the end was 11:13. If I'm saying that correctly, y'all know I'm just starting this drag strip stuff. But yeah, it's the number, baby. If it can go in, and that's the number. But I'll screenshot it. I was just comparing with Deadpool. If y'all know Deadpool Camaro, he got his ZL1 Elite Tenacious. We're just comparing time slips. I have a better 60 foot than him, but with his ZL1 Elite, he did a 12.01 and I did a 12.02. So that's pretty good. And he was all the way up to 120 miles an hour, and I was at 113. So that supercharger definitely kicks in. Yeah, that supercharger kicked in on that ZL11 there. Lee boy. Thank you. Let's see. A 12.3 on that one. I did a 12.3 that time. 12.355. 60 foot was 2.02. The 8th was an 8.0. And I did a 91. What did he do? He did an 11.9. My reaction, his 60 foot was a 2.1. His 8th was a 7.8. I was a 8.0 on that one, man. But he did 11.9 at 121. I did 12.3 at 113. Crazy. But I'm right there with him, though. I'm right there with him. I feel good, though. Also, man, like the DA is high out here, too. I forgot to tell y'all that. So these runs, each run is being done in like 2,600, 2,700 DA out here. It's hot. It's 96 degrees out here. So I'm gonna do one more run and I'll be done for the day pretty much, man. I'm not gonna keep running because it's too hot and I'm lacking sleep, but I'm getting good reaction time out here. All right, this time for my last run, I'm running with a 2015 Camaro 1LE. Yeah, man, I was spinning in this one. Like, I had to let off and then get back on it, so it was bad. Thank you. 127. Bad, I knew that. 13.1 was that run. 60 foot was a 2.4. The 8th, I did an 8.8. Miles per hour 90. So yeah, that was bad. He did a 2.2 in the 8th. His 60 foot was an 8.9. He did a, his 8th was a 8.9. Yeah, I said that right. And then his ET was 13.5. I did a 13.1. And he was at 107. I did 113. So yeah, that was a good run. I enjoyed it. I'm glad I'm running with good people. Some people know me from YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching and coming up to me, man. That means a lot. I really appreciate it. It keeps motivating me to do more. And I'm having a good time, man. I love this Camaro family. I loved it, man. I loved it. So I'm done racing for the day. I had a good time. I only gonna do 3. They got indexes and stuff like that going on for the drag strip, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just sit back, relax. I only ran 3 times. That's all I wanted to do. Now I'm just sitting back relaxing because it's hot, man. It's 95 degrees. I'm not gonna do nothing else. I want to do autocross, but I'm gonna just sit back and relax. That's autocross right there. That's autocross, so, or Camaro cross. That's what we call it down here, Camaro cross. That's pretty much it for today. This is only a 1-day thing. They used to be 2 days, but people getting it in as much as possible. I met a lot of great people here too. Look, dude. I can do it! I can do it, coach! I can do it! It's about like 10 o'clock, they doing a ram battle.